Welcome to my Genius Hour project on building a PE curriculum for my students. My who and the learners for this project are my 6th grade students at Renaissance Academy at Fisher in Allen Rock. I have a diverse group of learners with a lot of varied perceptions on PE and the role that it plays in their lives. In order to best support my learners in building a strong culture around PE at our school, I went ahead and created a trimester 1 PE unit plan that my whole grade level can use with our students. The focus of the unit plan is volleyball and football. The reason why I chose to do this project instead of another project focused on my content area, math, is because at my school we are responsible for building our own PE curriculum. And over the past few years, that has been a really big challenge for us. Since PE is not the primary thing that we teach as teachers, we have struggled to make PE meaningful and a place where students are learning and actively engaging in their physical environment and physical exercise. So I wanted to make sure we had a good roadmap for where we wanted to go this year. This document is broken into 2 separate parts. The first part of the document breaks down the grade level PE standards, the objectives for the trimester, the topics and concepts that we will be covering, and the vocabulary that the students will need to access in order to be able to understand and practice the skills that we are learning. Our 2 focuses for the first trimester will be volleyball and football. The second part of the document is broken down by week on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with an explanation of what the lesson will be for each day. Each day of the week will have a different theme. For example, Monday will be Mile Day. Monday is the day when students will dress out and attempt to run the mile in less than 16 minutes. Wednesday, the focus will be on working out and building the endurance and skills that students need in order to play whatever game or sport we're practicing. Finally, Friday will be game day, and on Fridays, students will go through a station rotation model in which they practice a team building activity, a sport, and then some sort of running and walking endurance activity. This system and this theme will be consistent throughout the trimester so that there is a lot of consistency for the students in their PE routine. My hope is that the product of this hard work and this unit plan is that PE is more meaningful for my students and they show mastery of the PE standards for 6th grade. My next steps are to take this to my peers, my grade level group, talk about it in our collaboration, and get their feedback. You can check out the full plan at this link. Thanks for listening.